How to improve your fitness while working at home. Working from home sounds like a dream, but it can be hard to stay fit. I'm going to show you some easy ways you can keep your body in shape and feel great when working from home. Hi, and welcome back to Health Shadow. We know a lot about working remotely for a living. So we know all about the struggle of keeping up with fitness goals when working at home. But don't worry, there are plenty of things we can do that's simple and doesn't take too much time out of our day. In this video, Health Shadow will show you ways and exercises that will have us feeling energized in no time. Work has traditionally been done in an office. A firm operates in a physical area and workers execute work-related duties in the office. With the advancement of digital transformation, this is changing. Companies are discovering that many of their employees are no longer restricted by a physical office in order to work productively, as software capabilities get more complicated and business processes start to rely on them more. Working from home or telecommuting may be just as efficient. But working out is another story for us while working at home. So stay tuned. Click the subscribe button and the tiny bell for updates from your health-related channel. Grab your notes because we'll be tackling a lot for this video, and you wouldn't want to forget these later on. You can also share this to your friends and other co-workers. Just click the arrow button and share it. Even before the worldwide pandemic made working from home a regular occurrence for millions of individuals, a growing number of people were saying goodbye to their onerous commute to work. Because of ever-evolving technologies such as Skype, FaceTime, Slack, Zoom, Google Hangouts, authenticator applications, and cloud computing, not to mention texting and email, it's no longer essential to be in an office full-time to be an effective part of the team. Many types of work, in fact, may be done just as well, if not more effectively, from a home office. Now with that on the table, let's see. Do you want to know how to prevent being a slacker when working from home? You're not alone in trying to solve the problem of wanting to collapse on the sofa for some Netflix after a long day at work, but also wanting to be in shape. Working from home, in our opinion, has several health benefits, such as more control over your schedule and the opportunity to focus on good eating habits. Aside from the difficulties of being socially connected and managing video interviews, there is also the issue of your personal health. Every professional must strike a balance between working from home success ideas and how to feel fantastic in both mind and body. When you work from home, it's practically impossible not to let work overwhelm you, especially if your home office is in your living room, which is close to your kitchen and your sofa. We could go on and on about how simple it is to remain at home when you work from home. Pajamas are really comfortable, aren't they? And who wouldn't want to save laundry for days? But the truth is that if you don't make an effort to either get out and exercise or get healthy inside the confines of your own house, your health will suffer. Both are entirely conceivable. The one is unquestionably preferable if it's pouring, too hot, or too freezing outside. Your work from home workout regimen is about to begin, and we hope you're excited. There are a variety of programs you can do online for free. Yes, free, as well as working out by yourself or with a partner or roommate. Now we hope your pens are ready, because now we're giving you tips that you need to stay healthy while working from home. Number 1. Do online yoga. Yoga is an excellent workout for home workers since it can be done anywhere. Chakras, according to yoga, are energy, thinking, and feeling centers as well as physical bodily centers. Chakras, according to yogic teachings, influence how individuals see reality through emotional reactions, wants, or aversions, as well as levels of confidence or fear, and even bodily symptoms and repercussions. When energy in a chakra becomes blocked, It causes physical, mental, or emotional imbalances that emerge as symptoms such as worry, fatigue, or poor digestion. Asanas are the many physical positions found in Hatha Yoga. Yoga practitioners employ asanas to release energy and stimulate an unbalanced chakra. Leaving a yoga mat near our home office is one of our favorite work-at-home wellness tips. When you pass it on your way back from the kitchen, you might feel compelled to perform some lunges or a push-up plank. If your yoga mat doesn't instantly invite you to sit down and practice crow position, start a home yoga regimen on YouTube. Number 2 is take an online Pilates class. Fitness and health is one of the best investments for life. What exactly is Pilates? Pilates is a set of short exercises that enhance core strength, muscular control, and overall stability. While it may seem appealing, it is unquestionably difficult labor. Pilates consists of a steady, prolonged set of movements that require abdominal control and adequate breathing. The quality of each posture is more essential than the quantity of repetitions or your ability to move dynamically. There are several free Pilates courses available on YouTube, ranging from sessions to tone your abs to beginner-level programs to full-body workouts. You won't believe the level of fitness you can achieve as a home worker, all from the comfort of your own home. Books and videotapes are also available, but for the greatest results, seek training from a skilled Pilates teacher or Pilates-trained physiotherapist. Number 3. Start your day always with a stretch and a smile. Remember that yoga mat we talked about earlier? Keep it on the floor either in your bedroom or at your home office. Begin your weekday with a stretch, whether it's one you learned in high school gym class, one from a dancing class, or one from online yoga. Stretching first thing in the morning might help remove any tension or soreness from the previous night's sleep. It also improves blood circulation and prepares your body for the day ahead. Stretching before bedtime relaxes your muscles and helps you avoid waking up in discomfort. Stretching not only helps avoid injury, but it also provides a plethora of additional advantages. Stretching promotes blood flow to muscles and joints, which can help with joint stiffness reduction. Stress causes muscles to stiffen, which can have a harmful impact on your health. Stretching muscles relieves tension and relaxes muscles, which can aid in stress reduction. In addition, many people suffer from lower back discomfort. Many muscles like your quadriceps, hamstrings, lower back muscles, and hip flexors contribute to back posture, and stretching these muscles on a daily basis can significantly lessen or eliminate lower back discomfort. Stretching and exercising to improve flexibility is useful to everyone. Stretching allows your joints and muscles to move before sitting in your home office chair for a 2-hour conference. Stretching also aids in the relief of joint and muscle pains caused by prolonged sitting. We stretch throughout the day as part of our at-home workout routine. And also, greet the day with a smile because it helps your mood too. Number 4. Try a high-intensity workout in your living room. What's great about HIIT, or high-intensity interval training workouts, is that they require no equipment and can be done from home as part of your work-from-home fitness routine. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is characterized by brief, intense workouts. You give a series of exercises your all for brief bursts of exertion, followed by a time of recuperation. While exercising with this level of intensity is challenging, it is extremely beneficial to your health. Most HIIT workouts include a variety of moves. This allows you to work out multiple muscle groups at the same time. For example, a HIIT exercise can include squats, push-ups, and burpees, all of which target distinct muscles. You'll be flexing those toned muscles in a Zoom meet in no time. You can discover a plethora of HIIT workouts on YouTube, where you can select between 15-minute and 30-minute programs. and both are free. Whether you're new to the Notion, give it a shot to see if you enjoy the HIIT approach. Number 5. Get a standing desk to avoid staying sedentary for too long. Check out other equipment you can get from the linked video above. Consider a standing desk if you want to avoid sitting for lengthy periods of time when working from home. If you utilize a standing desk, you'll already be on your feet while at work. While a standing desk will not burn calories for you, it will have you thinking about ways to keep active while working from home. It's also one of the most commonly recommended working from home ideas for professionals who don't want to be stuck sitting in a chair for 8 hours a day and getting only a few steps in. Have you outgrown your home office nook or room? For the illusion of a standing desk, use a tiny desk riser. Smaller desk risers can hold a laptop, while bigger ones can hold an external display as well. And that sums up our video for today. Remember that staying healthy is still a must and will always be a dream after working and earning at the comfort of our own home. Make sure you take note of what we shared for you today. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the tiny bell, as well as leave us a comment and a thumbs up. Again, you are watching Health Shadow, your #1 health-related YouTube channel. We'll catch you again next time. Stay healthy.